Good morning. Welcome to Distance Learning Week 7. The dates this week are May 11th through May 15th. We will have our weekly Zoom meeting. So period 1 will be meeting right after you watch this Zoom video at 9:30, and period 4 will be meeting Tuesday at 11. Our agenda for this week, we're going to kind of be looping back around to ecosystems. So you just finished your mass extinction essay, and for the rest of the year we're going to kind of be going back and revisiting ecosystems. So you're only going to have 2 tasks this week, so I would recommend completing task 1 on your Monday, Tuesday, and then task 2 on your Wednesday, Thursday. So for task 1, ecosystem review, you're going to open up the slideshow that's linked, and then there's a document that you're going to fill out as you go through the slideshow. I created that document on Google Docs, so you'll have the opportunity to export that straight to Notability just like you've been doing. Or if you would like to fill it in on Google Docs, you can make a copy. So remember, you can't start editing it right there. You either have to export it to Notability like you have been doing, or making a copy in Google Docs. Okay? You'll be then using that slideshow to fill in the notes. There's lots of little nuggets in there. So there's a video to watch. There's a website that you're going to use to research a specific animal. So just make sure you're paying attention to all the things that you're supposed to be going through. So some of them will be directly on the slide. Others of them you'll have to click on the video or click on the link and kind of go elsewhere in order to finish that assignment. So again, this is what I would complete on Monday or Tuesday. And then your second task that I would complete on Wednesday or Thursday is called symbiotic relationships. On the I was making sure this was correct. On the welcome page on Neo, you're going to find your class period slideshows. So make sure you open up the correct one, so period 1 or period 4. And then you're going to review slides 1 to 5. So 1 to 5 are going to teach you a little bit about ecological relationships. And again, there's a video linked in there, so you can watch the video, read the slides that give you a brief description of each of the 3 different types of ecological relationships. And then the full directions are on slide 7, but basically in short, you're going to go through the slideshow and you're going to find your 3 slides. So I went through and wrote your name at the top. It's organized by last name. So for example, I think period 1 starts with Diego A. And then so his slides will be the first 3 slides, and then it's organized by last name going down. For period 4, I think it starts with Jackson A. So again, you'll kind of go through. There's quite a few because every person in the class has 3 slides. So scroll down until you find your name at the top, and then you'll complete your 3 slides. So you'll complete 1 for each type of symbiotic relationship. Once those slides are done, you're going to complete this short document. It's not difficult. It's basically just asking you to go through it so you can kind of look at what your classmates did. So I know some people will finish much earlier than others. So maybe towards the end of the science class period on Wednesday or Thursday, you can open up that document, and not everybody will be done, but just kind of go through and look at the ones that are done. So if you could, try to finish that on the earlier part of Wednesday or Thursday. That way your classmates filling in that document have lots of abundant information to look at. And again, that document, you can export it to Notability or make a copy in Google Docs. So that's it for the week. What I want you to do right now is I want you to open up the first slideshow, the ecosystems review, and then get that document either exported to Notability or make a copy in Google Docs, and you can kind of start going through it. And then we will come together in just a few minutes in our weekly Zoom meeting, and we'll just go over any questions or comments, concerns you have about last week or this week, and then you'll be free to go on your own, okay? So I will see you guys in just a few minutes.